lower down the volume a little bit. Nice. Okay, so hold on, let's take a look at the chart a little bit. So Wish, somebody just said Wish is doing pretty well. Is it? Wow, bro, Neo gone. Yeah, man, Neo has gone down 5% right now. Is it? Where is it? Neo is down 5%. AMC Clover is down. Everything is down. Where is my Wish? Okay, Richard. Hi, Richard Lam. Hi, what's going on, Richard Lam? Greg Chung. What's going on? Hey, yo, Middle Crypto. Welcome. Anyway, I believe you're new to us, right? And anyway, I just set up something on this Streamlab. Okay, whenever there is a new subscriber or like you know, some other things, then there'll be this, which I'm quite excited to share with everybody, which is this. So yeah, I'm quite a nerd when it comes to this. But anyway, how are you guys, man? Anyway, the transition as well, how are you guys? I hope you guys are doing good. Today is a Monday. Hopefully, you know, your weekend has been awesome. Now let's take a look at Neo Wish. We're gonna put him there in 4 quadrant, right? So Neo has dropped 5, almost 6% already, but nevertheless, I mean, if you believe in it in the long run, I think it's fine. Let's take a look at Wish. Okay, basically, you know, I briefly read about Neo, and apparently the CEO crashed or something. Yeah, man. All good. Hi, Middle Crypto. Okay, since you're new to the channel, I will play this particular thing for whenever there's a new people on my live or my session, right? So hold up. Okay. Where is it? Okay, this part. Okay, this.
Welcome to the community.
Can you guys hear? I believe you guys can hear. Yeah, I did that for now. Yeah, for now. A little bit soft, but it's okay. Yeah. Setup looks better in my opinion. Yeah, man, I'm putting in an effort. My 88 items is coming, so really excited for this. Let's take a look at Bitcoin for now. Okay, and let's take a look at Clover for this video. So Bitcoin has dropped quite it's fine, right? Bitcoin went up to 47. My goodness, it's pretty good. Okay, Neo, my gosh, what happened to Neo? Now, Clover has dropped as well. I don't know why. After a pretty good financials, I think it was pretty awesome. Nevertheless, there's some negative news. So I like your setup clean. Thanks, man. I try to make a better setup every single time. Got into Neo at 38.97, bro. That's a very good entry level. In a sense, you bought the dip. But you need to know that, you know, Neo, these kind of stocks, you unless there's drastic things happen, I think it's good. Correct. Wow, the zombie is cute. Thank you. Let me show you guys again. So if there's a new subscriber, I don't know whether it works. If there's a new subscriber, then this zombie will start to come out. Yeah, so thank you, bro. Yeah, thank you, Middle Crypto. Welcome to the community. Got 800 CLOV, 819 what else to buy, Gary? CLOV is one. Damn, 800 CLOV. Let's take a look at Neo. Neo is a pretty good price. I think Wish, to be honest, Wish at $7 is okay, but of course they missed their earnings quite a fair bit. All right, I think the Wall Street expected them to hit 700 million revenue, but they missed it. Okay, do correct me if I'm wrong. If you guys are in, I briefly read about it just now, but in this video I'm gonna highlight a little bit on Neo, and in particular what actually happened. Okay, hold up. Okay, so okay, I think this is okay, this post was on Saturday, but nevertheless, let's take a look. I hope the transition, oh no, wait. Okay, let me copy and paste this over. real quick. Boom. It's just this. Okay, looks good, looks sick. Okay, so can you guys see this? Let me open this a little bit more for everybody. Yeah, I believe everybody can see now. Okay, looks, so this is on Saturday. All right, so the reason why NIO tanked today is not because of this, but because apparently the CEO have had a crash or something. So really, we need to go through that. So okay, hold up, I have a lot of things to share. So the first thing I like to share with everybody is the volatility index. The VIX has gone up substantially. So for those of you who don't really know what is the VIX, how the VIX move, what it stands for, and what is it, so let's take a look. So the volatility index we gone through before for those of you who have followed my live. But basically, when the VIX, the key takeaway is that when VIX is low, volatility is low. When VIX is high, volatility is high, which usually accompanied by market fear. So buy when VIX is high, sell when VIX is low strategy. But of course, consider other factors as well. But what you need to go understand that is that the VIX, the volatility index, has been pretty high. So it looks, I think if you are looking at things, I think the fear is pretty high, the sentiment. But of course, if the fear continues, then you just gotta exit early. Okay, hold up. While I share with you guys why NIO have had, I think Yahoo haven't shown anything. So okay, so 2 days ago, right? 2 days ago, basically this particular piece of information has been pretty sad for a lot of new folks. Okay, so look, so this website, NIO driver dies in traffic accident while driving NOP enabled ES8. So the founder of Chinese restaurant brand, this particular brand, right, died in a traffic accident while driving, and NIO, this new brand ES8, the brand said in an obituary posted in WeChat account Saturday. So the accident occurred over the weekend, a few days. So the accident occurred on August 12th when the autopilot function turned on, and the obituary said. So Lin was the founder of several companies, yada yada yada. The obituary, so basically this is what happened. It crashes and that person died. Okay, that person passed away. Rest in peace. But yeah, that's the reason why NIO has tanked. I've read some posts, bullish and bearish sentiment about it, and basically they are saying that, hey, you can't leave it autopilot without intervention. So we don't know what happens, so we just gotta wait for the confirmation to be out. But basically, in short, so NOP is one of the features of NIO's autopilot driving system. NIO Pilot, which offers two options of renminbi. This, okay, so basically NIO Pilot supports over 20 assisted driving functions and support remote vehicle software upgrade FUTA, according to EV Maker. So this accident has caused NIO to tank today, and possibly the reason why Tesla and many other EV stock to tank as well. And yeah, I mean, the reason is the volatility, and of course that's the reason why most of the stock tank, and the volatility index is high. And if you want to buy the stock, you buy a stock when it tank. Okay, so Clover is 803. Okay, so since Duke Leroy has bought some Clover, let's go through Clover and what are the points for us to take note. But anyway, if Duke Leroy, if you actually look at the financials of CLOV, it looks pretty good. It went above 150% year over year in terms of the revenue, but of course there is a net loss. But then just want to share that Clover is expanding. It has expanded double of its footprint. So that is my thesis on it. So hey Feliza, how are you? I'm not sure whether is it your real picture, but yeah, thanks for sending the clover emoji, man. We are talking about clover over here, and let's take a look at 30-minute chart right now. And by the way, for those of you who don't know, I'm currently using Webull to actually manage this particular this chart that you're seeing on the screen right now. And I'm using dual screen, therefore my face is, you know, all over the place and stuff like that. So yeah, okay, so now let's take a look at 30-minute chart. It looks like, you know, new. It is new, right? Okay, new drop. Okay, let's first talk about new. Okay, sorry, kind of pumped up a little bit. So okay, so let's take a look at let's take a look at new, right? And Greg just yeah bro, let's take a look at new first, and we shall see how the stock gonna move. Okay, now right now 30-minute chart, new looks really lonely and empty over here, correct? I believe it looks very empty. And oh my god guys, I'm sorry, I'm very distracted because I'm listening to my own live, and I like the voice of it. I don't know, is it because of this particular earpiece or what, but the volume, the voice, everything sounds great. I'm very excited. And by the way, you know, my A8 stuff haven't come in yet, so the full gears haven't come in yet. But anyway, back to NIO. The lowest NIO went the other time was what, 38 as well. So right now it is dropping to 38, but this time around it dropped below that. But there's a reason, because it has crashed recently, and as a result a live was taken. So this 1 hour chart looks okay. It's very okay. Let's see. Okay, if you compare NIO and perhaps Tesla and even, you know, Bitcoin, most of the chart, actually a lot of the chart out there looks pretty much the same. We have had a really good run up, and then right now we are just, you know, hovering around this area. I believe we are consolidating. So if you are thinking of getting into some of the stocks that you always wanted but it's too expensive after the run up, and you wait for the dip, and right now it is dipping. And yeah, so I mean, we broke this particular upward trend, and therefore we are going downwards. So let's draw some lines to have a better understanding. So this was the previous drop, correct? I mean, it is a range, so I believe that this particular line over here at $30.81 is the ultimate support line over here. And not ultimate, not necessarily ultimate, because it could, you know, go down and we could find another trend. And the reason why I say that is because, I mean, it is a little bit, so it's almost, you know, as I always say, for stocks and technical analysis, you don't have a strict value unless the stock has touched many times, and in this case the stock haven't been, you know, so I would say that it's a range. All right, at 38 people feel that, hey, it's cheap, or 37.90 people think that it's cheap. So it's a range. It's very hard to pinpoint, very hard in the stock market, so let alone, you know, pinpoint what to buy. But right now we are looking at you know, touch over here, and once it broken, it went up, and right now we are, you know, consolidating over here. So I mean, if you are thinking of waiting to get the dip, then maybe, you know, you just gotta wait for a couple of days, see what is the news about regarding the crash recently. So if the news about the crash is, you know, bad, terrible, then you might just want to wait out till $30. If not, because right now it is neither here nor there. You can't really pinpoint what is this area. I mean, I mean, if you want 勉强in Chinese, you're gonna force it out, then this is perhaps the second support line, the first support line before the $30 drop. So $34 would be the second support line as well. But of course you could argue that this, but as you can see over here, it has drop. So okay, it's very difficult to see daily chart, and let's take a look at 4-hour chart and see how it's going to move. So as you can see, it has broken away this particular line over here. So yeah, so the next line is 34, but if you think that this news is fear, uncertainty and doubt, then go ahead and buy. All right, so that's my point about this. So let's take a look at Clover a little bit and see how Clover is performing today. And right off the bat, Clover is just drop. Not exactly the best scenario that I've hoped, because I have a stake in Clover. Just want to disclaimer to share with everybody. Okay, if not, you guys would say that, hey, why what this and that. So a disclaimer, I own Clover share before it rise up to what $28, and I continue to buy more Clover as it dips, and it has been dipping since then. So the last thing I want is for it to dip further, and $8 seems 808. All right, is what so seems okay. Now Clover is currently right now below the VWAP line, and I believe we discussed about the VWAP line a couple of times, and we know that if it falls below the VWAP line, then we need to perhaps check out what exactly happening. Okay, if not, it's really chances are, if it's below the VWAP line, then if it don't bounce back up, then it might just collapse downwards. So that is my point. Okay, so yes, hold on, let me open up some of the stuff and let me see how is it going. Okay, so right now Clover is just hovering around this area, and as you can tell from the VWAP line, it can clearly tell that the volume is not there. Okay, average volume is 56 million. That is very little, not a lot. So I am thinking of perhaps maybe at this, if you guys haven't get into Clover, I think this is pretty good price. Why? Because the average volume is very low. Okay, and why the average volume low is good? Because I mean the previous time when it squeezed, right, the volume was 1 billion. Okay, so I think this is a picture perfect way of, like, I think it bounced back up, and then if it managed to break, then maybe I'll get more Clover shares. If not, I'll just wait. So yep, and of course, as you can see, the MACD line crosses the signal line, signaling a bullish reversal. So I hope that is the case. And of course, you look at the RSI, it is oversold territory. So that is the reason why I'm adamant on saying that technical analysis shows you something. It is not useless, it's not dead. Yeah, man, it's Leon is quite shocked that Clover has been dropping for quite some time, but you gotta do your own research, and you gotta see whether you trust the company and whether you believe in the company or not. Okay, so just want to share some mental preparation for those who are buying into momentum stocks, meme stocks, whatever you want to call it. If you were to buy into these stocks, you right off the bat, that people are shorting them quite substantially. The reason why they short them is because they feel that this company is overvalued, and that's the reason why they short them. And or maybe they feel that the technology that they have is not good. So that is probably one of the many reasons why they short a company. And And if they were to short a company, it means that they know something that we don't know or whatever, right? So if you were to buy into this company because you believe in this company and you have done your research and due diligence and everything, then I think you just gotta trust your instinct, trust your gut, trust whatever you have researched, and trust whatever other people have researched. I mean, of course, then you verify, and once you have done so, you just gotta believe in this company, and then just gotta continuously review what this company is about and whether there is a potential for short squeeze, because a lot of people buy into momentum stock thinking that they will get rich overnight, and chances are getting rich overnight is not easy. Okay, so therefore, if you buy into momentum stocks, you need to know what you get into, and once you know, you just gotta have conviction that it's gonna go up. So for example, for those GameStop people, it went up to $50, it dropped down to what, $10 before the massive squeeze. Those people are diamond-handed because they know that a lot of people are shorting GameStop for no apparent reason, and boom, look at right now. Even if GameStop has dropped substantially, I believe that GameStop is way above whatever a lot of people have bought. I mean, let's take a look at GameStop. Okay, GameStop, let's look at AMC, all these momentum stocks, and maybe Duke Leroy. Let's take a look at OCGN. Okay, I almost got burned by OCGN, but I would say I managed to exit before the massive squeeze. Hey, wait, what is this? Massive drop to $6, and then since then I didn't really touch. Okay, so OCGN is at $7. I think the previous time when it dropped to $6, it was really bad. Right now $7, I would say that is bad, but it's okay. Hello, say hi, how are you? I'm good. Okay, everything is good, and right now I'm in my hostel, and therefore I can't really have a very beautiful setup. I hope you guys are okay, and yeah, as you can see over here, I can't really have a very beautiful setup for everybody, but nevertheless, I think you guys apparently you guys like it, and I tried to make the audio sounds better. So if it sounds sucky and on your side, let me know. Okay, maybe it's time to change your phone. No, I'm just joking. But yeah, so okay, let's take a look at the general market. Okay, stocks fall from records as geopolitical growth concerns weigh. Because okay, so right now there's a concern of COVID-19, the Delta variant is very strong, and people couldn't stand. Just take a look at this. Tesla has dropped 3.59%. So yeah, so Tesla and many others dropped quite substantially. So yeah, Wish is dropped $6. Airbnb, Humble drop, AMC drop. Okay, this one has stuck there since then. So a lot of stock has dropped because the fear is very high. Okay, so I bought the top on SOS as well at, dude, I think SOS that is not the top. Okay, I don't think that is the top because when I start to trade buy SOS, or I bought eBank or eBond, okay, the ticker symbol right now is 268. I'm not sure why it dropped, because okay, I mean, because Bitcoin drop and many other drop. I'm talking about here, right? Duke Leroy 290. Yeah, it sucks. Oh my god, what a huge red candle, bro. 30 minute chart. But I bought this SOS, right, at I think I traded a little bit, so I think I bought it around like 3 + 4. Yeah, and then like, yeah, I think I bought 4. No, sorry, 3 plus, and then it dropped, and I quickly exit. If not, wait, then hold the line, and oof, quite scary at $2 plus. I think I bought more in eBank, eBond, right? eBond. But bro, if you have faith in Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, then I think I think diamond hand is not too bad, right? I think. Hold on, let me copy this thing over to all the websites so that everybody can see what you're talking about. Yeah, that's the reason why I leave some line behind. And yeah, so for those of you who are new to the channel, do subscribe because you have this one I'm quite excited about to share with everybody. When I did this, I was like, whoa, damn, that's so interesting. But anyway, back to the topic. Oh my gosh, all the cryptocurrency stock has dropped quite substantially. Oh wait, oh, that's the volume. I thought it's like it went down further. Okay, sorry. You guys see? Yeah, so I thought, you know, because I was, you know, you see this, because I was like pointing at this, right? And this is the volume. So I thought, you know, I thought that, you know, I touched it, yo, it dropped all the way down. I was like, what? So yeah, man, my friend who bought SOS at 780 is pretty mad at me. Yeah, bro. Whoa, he bought it 780. That is, oh yes, bro. I was okay. Wait. This eBank, okay. OCGN is just hovering around this area. I think OCGN is very difficult, man. I don't know, unless it has something against the Delta variants. Right now it's just like, oh, I don't know, OCGN. But let's take a look at SOS together, and you know, we shall see. Okay, so now SOS is 670. Let's take a look at when was the highest. Yeah, okay, that makes sense, because just now when I was, you know, doing the daily chart, the highest was $4. I was like, wait, what? Was I dreaming? So no, okay, I swear I bought SOS was at pretty high. Okay, I trade a little bit. You see, it's quite nice to trade, all right? So it went down, went up, went down. So it's pretty nice to trade. I did trade it, and luckily I never, you know, continue to hold the line for eBank or SOS, because I know that once cryptocurrency, you know, tank, this kind of stock will tank with them together. And you know, by the way, I got eBank when it was like here. I sold here, I made some profit. I didn't buy a lot, okay, because as I said, at the point of time, majority of my funds was in AMC and DPLS, and yeah, so whatever funds I have was new funds, right? Put the money into the trading account, and then I got it lah. So right now it dropped, and I think I bought it for $3 plus. And it continued to drop. I was like, yo, what, man? Like, come on, drop until like that. Just give me some chance, right? Well, I got E-bond at, yeah, bro. I got around 3 plus 4 as well. I understand because right, I understand your chain of thought, because it has dropped from you know, so high. Let's see. Okay, now let's take a look at weekly chart. Yeah, it went to $14. Okay, it dropped below the all-time low. Then I was like, okay, it bounced back up, and then yeah, so and then after that it just dropped to $2. I was like, yo, what's going on, man? This e-bond thing. So I feel you, bro. I feel you with that e-bond. But just a disclaimer to you, I have cut my losses. I take an L for that. Okay, when $3 drop to 3, I think I bought closer to 4. All right, I bought, no, is yeah. Okay, so I think I bought around 3 plus here. It dropped to $2. What even? Then it spiked back up, and then there's particular day I sold on my MOOMOO, on my Tiger. I remember after green days, I thought like, oh, I should have bought the dip, man. It's gonna go up to $10, and then yeah, here we are right now. I don't know how is it gonna work, because if you ask me, I mean, this is weekly chart, hard to tell. But if you ask me, it looks like, you know, forming a lower low, higher low, that type of thing. But as long as cryptocurrency is okay, I think this stock is okay. Yeah, let's take a look at Wish. Wish, man. Look at Wish. See whether I can buy a new Wish. Anybody got Wish? If you guys got Wish, let me know. Okay, anybody got Wish, let me know, guys. I wanted to buy yesterday. Remember, if you guys forgot, right? You guys watched my previous live. I wanted to buy Wish when it dipped here. Okay, let's take a look at 5-minute chart. Okay, I think you guys can see it clearer. Okay, so it dipped here. I want to buy at 670 kind of value, right? I mean, when it opened, we talk about it. We like, hey, I think I'm buying, man. I mean, it's oversold and stuff like that. I was literally telling you guys, I mean, that I want to buy, but I would just have some reservations. Is it maybe they're gonna short it more, and then boom, went up 10%. I mean, it dropped 30%. It closed. Or you see, they close at 20%. So if you had bought at this price, wait, does the math works like that? Okay, I think it's less than that, but you know, you earn some money, all right, if you day traded that. Because I wanted to day trade this particular stock. I mean, I have some options which expired worthless, so therefore I want to make some gains back from this. Okay, so right now, which is just dropping. Hopefully this is the VWAP line. Maybe oh, this is EMA. So let's add in the VWAP line for Clover, for Wish, to see what is it. Okay, so it's below the VWAP line. I don't know, will it be doing another case like yesterday where it popped back up, you know? I also got Wish. Yeah, man, I also got Wish, bruh. I wish a wish. Tesla dropped, oh my gosh, 4%. Tesla is just, you know, okay, but if you look at this in the daily chart, it's okay. I mean, just a couple of 2 months back, it was at 500 ish. So you're talking about climbing. I mean, it's not clean. Hold up, let me zoom it in and make it clearer. Alright, so I'm not sure, am I forcing this out, but it is, you know, I mean, I hope it bounces off. If it does, and maybe some confirmation, then maybe I'm going to buy some GameStop. Yeah, I don't know, man. SESN. Frankly speaking with you, I don't really follow this particular stock. Reason being is, I don't know, right? I don't follow, but reason I put it is I'm thinking of getting a position into this stock because it has dropped so much, meaning we are effectively buying at the dip, because I feel that all this kind of FDA kind of stock, it is, I mean, it failed, therefore the price dropped, and no doubt it failed, but it will try again, and if it succeed, then voila, you buy at the dip. So SESN. So if you are looking at you know, some analysis on it, I would like to right off the bat tell you that apologize because I couldn't give you analysis. I know that the FDA failed, okay, and usually what happened to all this kind of stock is that when the FDA fails, boom, the stock tank. And I frankly speaking, the stock gonna stay this way for quite some time until, you know, better news coming in, and or, you know, if the companies were to do something about it. Because right now, if you look at the stock, the market cap is very reasonable at 259 for the company. Of course, some people may argue that the company is, you know, effectively not granting anything, no FDA, no nothing. So based on that, that's why the price dropped. And whoa, yesterday it dropped to 70 cents. So this is the kind of stock where if you can buy the dip and then you're just gonna hold and wait for FDA approval coming again, then everything is good, right? So since you're here, let's take a look at the, you know, the meeting. Let's take a look at what is how we're gonna tackle it and how we're gonna look at this particular stock together. Okay, SESN, because the price dropped 20% yesterday and then followed by today 30%. So effectively, boom. And also, you know, just want to share with you guys this. Just want to share with everybody this. So whenever, you know, FDA fails, then, you know, there will be this lawsuit going on saying that so this is one of them that, you know, you should take note of. So SESN Bio investigation. Block and Leviton investigate SESN Bio for potential securities law violation. Investors who have lost money are encouraged to contact the firm. So basically, usually they will have this. So don't be alarmed if, I mean, I don't think it is, you're new to this particular stock or the FDA stock. Don't be alarmed. You know, they say gonna have a lawsuit. Who is eligible? So if you are affected by this particular stock, you know, if you want to go ahead, yeah, no worries, man. I mean, we are all learning it together, and you know, you can share your knowledge of this stock. I believe you have been holding, I don't know whether you have a position. If you have, you know, share why you buy into this stock. I mean, it crashes as FDA shoots down its bladder cancer pitch. So let's all, you know, understand this particular stock together and see, you know, whether there is any potential for another FDA request or approval. So the best thing that we want right now is we buy into the stock. Yes, no doubt, you know, the stock doesn't look very good. Let's take a look at it again. It doesn't look fantastic. In fact, it looks very ugly because of the 30-40% drop. But if you manage to buy now and it goes back to the $6 price range, then right, you made huge profit. And those who bought at 70 cents, congratulations. So it's either you buy the dip or you just wait out. So hey, Robson Lopez, welcome to the channel. I thank you for, you know, commenting and sharing with me, you know, buying Wish, because I do have some Wish position, not a lot. As in, options expired, and now I'm looking into entering Wish again. But since you're new to the channel, just like what I did to JT Tiger, I'm gonna play this particular playlist.
Welcome to the community.
Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. It's just something I do to make it less boring. Okay, but Wish, yes. I don't know. I foresee that after this particular this whole COVID thing, Wish will perhaps bounce back. But hold on, Robson Lopez. I hope I pronounced the name correctly. But I'm currently, looking into this stock SESN with JT Tiger, and perhaps you can just sit down and share with us what you think about it and stuff like that. So the company acquired the antibody drug conjugate in this. So JT Tiger, it went in at $4, so got a hold for a while. It looks, yeah, man. I'm not gonna make you happy, tell you, oh, you gotta it's gonna go to the moon, it's gonna bounce back up. I over here I provide realistic point of view, and realistically you might need to hold it for a while. And it sucks to having the need to hold it for a while. But of course, I just want to say that if you're convinced about this company, then perhaps buy the dip, and hopefully the next FDA approval, then boom, you earn big bucks. So just want to share with you, I was in the same shoe as you. I think it was ADVN or something. It's the same case where it dropped substantially, and it's quite sucky to be in that position. How long is a while? That's a very good question. 2 years. If I can tell you how many years or how many months, how many days, how many weeks you need to hold in order for you to at least even break even, then I'll probably be very rich. Very rich, because I can see the future. But frankly speaking, with this kind of stock, it really depends, because honestly, I said just now, I'm very frank with you, I'm not 100% sure about this company. The reason why I put it in my title, because I want to buy into this stock now, because it has dropped from $6 to $1. Granted, it can drop further, but I feel that this dip is deep enough for me to enter. It is a comfortable range, so I'm thinking of getting a position in this company. And it really depends. I'm gonna do deep due diligence into this company and see whether it is worth putting my hard-earned money into it, whether you should buy or hold or whatever. I mean, this is up to you, but whether me, all right, personally. And is it 2 years? Is it 3 years? I don't know. It really depends on whether the company has the capital and has the capacity to have better research and stuff like that to propose another have another projects, but anyway, let's take a look at this now. But thank you for joining. Before you actually click away, I just want to play this playlist that I would like to play with whenever I see new names, and you're one of the new names, so I'm gonna play this, and I hope you enjoy it. It is for people to come in and then have some fun. All right.
Welcome to the community.
All right. I hope you can hear it. I understand there's a background music and whatnot, but yeah. Okay, so the company acquired antibody drug conjugate in buyout in 2018. Since then, described the reason for CRL as a combination of manufacturing issues and requests for more data and statistical analysis. The news comes unexpected as July completed a late cycle meeting with FDA. It concluded that no confirmation trial is necessary. Fusion protein attached to a genetically engineered peptide designed for target specific antigen on the surface of tumor cells. Oh, this is very technical. Okay, to be honest with you, I more or less understand a little bit here and there, but exactly no. I need to Google search and maybe